Today we want to add color to our Robert Indiana inspired clay reliefs. We want to keep the principle of contrast in mind when selecting our colors so our word is easily readable. Today we will use a combination of oil pastels and watercolors to emphasize our texture while making our words the focal point of our artwork. Today you will receive 2 containers of oil pastels separated into warm and cool colors. You will choose one color family for your letters and the other color family for your background. In my example today, I will be using warm colors for the letters in my word and cool colors in my background. You can choose to color all of your letters with the same warm color, like yellow as I'm doing here, or you could use more than one. Now when you start to color, you might notice that it feels a bit awkward because you're not coloring on a flat piece of paper, but rather your 3-dimensional sculpture. You can use the tip or the flat edge of your pastel, whichever one feels right for you. If the edge or tip looks a little bit dirty, you can always clean it off by coloring it a bit on your messy mat. Your goal is to do your best, take your time, and add lots of nice color with your pastels. But as you color, you will also notice that because of your texture, it'll be really hard to get all the white areas filled in. That is a good thing. Don't press your pastels too hard trying to hide all those white spots, because you don't want your work to just be pastel. Once you have added pastel everywhere, letters, edges of letters, backgrounds, and edges of your slab, then we will use watercolors, or in this case temper cakes, to brush color over everything. Choose a color for your background and color for your letters. Keep the principle of contrast in mind. It probably wouldn't be a great choice for me to use yellow over my purple background because my letters might start to blend in. And I probably also don't want to paint purple over my yellow letters because, again, I don't want my letters to be camouflaged with my background. I want them to have good contrast. The key here is to really make your temper cakes wet. The more liquidy they are, the better they fill into all of your white spaces. And remember, the longer you dance your brush, the brighter and more saturated your colors will be. Brush one color into your background, don't forget the edges of your slab, clean your brush, and then brush another color over your letters. Be sure to look all the way around your artwork and hide any remaining white spots with your paint. This next step is optional. If you would like your clay relief to have a little bit of shimmer and shine, you can let it take a quick dip in the sparkle bath. Whether or not you opt for the sparkle bath, everyone will need a quick coat of Mod Podge at the end to seal in your colors. It will dry completely clear. Once you've finished this step, you'll turn it in so it can dry, and we will see them next time.